Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some clearing skies out there this morning, some breezy winds as well, and cooler temperatures, less humidity. So, feeling more like fall out there than we've seen the last few days. Going to see this fall weather continue for the next several days, and looks like we are into more of a fall weather pattern. So, we could be seeing this type of weather stick around for quite a while. Looking at the conditions the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing temperatures well above normal yesterday across the area. Norfolk at 88 degrees for a high, Wallops at 83. Most of the locations in the lower to mid 80s and even some upper 80s in the Tidewater. That's about 20 degrees above normal. The overnight lows last night saw that temperatures did drop after post-tropical storm Michael moved through the region with some gusty north to northwesterly winds. Baltimore was the cool spot at 55 degrees. Here at Wallops we saw 61. Most of the locations in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And rainfall yesterday across the region saw quite a good amount of rainfall in some locations. Salisbury over 6 inches of rain at 6.38 inches of rain, and even saw 3 inches of rain in 1 hour at Salisbury. So with that rainfall, did see some flooding up there overnight last night into this morning. Here at Wallops, we just saw that area low pressure track over us, which allowed for the heaviest rainfall to be in the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, and we only saw 0.95 inches of rainfall. Most of the locations around that 2 to 4 inch mark across the Mid-Atlantic region. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures anywhere from about the upper 50s to the lower 60s. Here at Wallops, we saw 63 degrees under mostly sunny skies. And taking a look at yesterday's rainfall across the region, this is the multi-radar, multi-scan product. It combines number of radars together to give an estimate of what the total precipitation was over the last 24 hours. Looking at this heavier band tracked across the central portion of the Delmarva Peninsula with the association with post-tropical storm Michael that gave areas in Wicomico County over 5 inches of rainfall, as the airport reported over 6 inches of rainfall. So seeing some widespread flooding across that area with the rainfall that occurred last night. Should see that start to go down as we have the rainfall drain to the rivers and move out of the area, but overall still seeing some road closures across that region this morning. Here at Wallops, you can see the rainfall really cut off once we moved above the or below the Maryland-Virginia line, seeing only around a half to an inch of rainfall here at Wallops, and that system did track about 20 to 30 miles farther to the north than was expected yesterday, and that really did cut down on our rainfall totals here at Wallops. Looking at our sounding this morning as of 12Z, we had a freezing level at 15,600 feet. Our winds are northwesterly and stronger this morning than we have been seeing, 35 knots to the low levels. We see winds around that 30 to 40 knot criteria, or level up to 16,000 feet. Then we see our peak wind this morning out of the west at 50 knots at 20,000 feet. Looking at our vegetation IR band and looking at the cloud cover across the region, you can see that just have a few streamers of cumulus clouds moving in across the region. Going to see mostly sunny skies today across the area with these breezy northwesterly winds, especially during the morning, and drier conditions overall. Looking at our radar this morning, you can see the last bit of post-tropical storm Michael moving into the New England area and quickly moving out of our region, just giving us area high pressure building in behind that with no precipitation or anything on the radar expected today. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, here's our Friday midday planner. High pressure in control, very nice conditions out there with the less humid and slightly breezy winds for the afternoon hours. We move into tonight, we'll have an upper level disturbance quickly moving towards our region that's going to give us a chance of some showers on Saturday morning. And moving to Saturday afternoon, we'll see these showers move out of the region and high pressure building in. It will be a cooler high pressure with temperatures only in the 60s for highs on Saturday. And then Sunday, we'll see that area high pressure holding on across the region. That's going to give us, once again, temperatures in the 60s for highs on Sunday. Mostly cloudy skies on Sunday with the Weak upper level disturbance moving through the region again on Sunday, so looking like Saturday morning could see some showers, and then even a slight chance of a few sprinkles on Sunday afternoon with an upper level disturbance moving through the region. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green condition for rainfall and lightning today, so no chance of that occurring. We'll see the winds above 25 knots this morning and a chance of the winds remaining above 25 knots with the gusts for the afternoon hours. We'll see those winds out of the northwest, anywhere from about 11 to 16 knots sustained, gusting to 27 this afternoon. We'll see a late afternoon high of 69 degrees, an overnight low tonight of 51, with the winds becoming northerly at 4 to 8 knots overnight. We do have a slight chance of a sprinkle or a light rain shower, as I mentioned, tomorrow morning and during the overnight hours, late overnight hours of Friday into Saturday, with this upper level disturbance moving through the region. Looking at about a 20 to 30% chance of that occurring across our area. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to have good conditions, VFR conditions across the region today. I'm going to see some more clouds move in the overnight hours with that upper level disturbance becoming mostly cloudy to overcast during the overnight time period, with a slight chance of rainfall after 4 local on Saturday. And continuing into Saturday morning, we'll see overcast skies, a slight chance of some showers in the region. Our tides are 1 foot above normal, and looking into Saturday through Sunday, Saturday will be mostly cloudy to overcast, a chance of a rain shower in the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy during the afternoon. And less humid and cooler, high of 63 degrees, so more seasonable for this time of year, but it will feel much cooler than what we've been having, as we've had those highs in the 80s for several days in a row. Looking like we'll have a yellow for our precipitation, around 20-30% chance of that occurring during the morning, and a slight chance in the afternoon, most likely during the morning on Saturday. Saturday night we'll have mostly clear skies to partly cloudy skies, cooler conditions, a low of 44 degrees. So that would be the coolest night we've seen in quite some time on Sunday morning. And then Sunday afternoon we'll see mostly cloudy skies, a very slight chance of a light rain shower or sprinkle, a high of 65 degrees, and we'll have a green chart on both Saturday night and Sunday. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have a high of 69 today, 63 on Saturday, with that chance of the late rain showers in the morning on Saturday. Sunday will be mostly cloudy, high 65. Monday we'll have a system moving from the north and west towards our region. That's going to give us more of a southerly return flow across the area, giving us temperatures in the mid to upper 70s for highs. So once again, we'll rebound to about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year on Monday. We'll have a chance of some late day showers and some chances of morning showers on Tuesday with a cold front moving through. Looks like right now that system should be fairly dry and quick moving for our Monday into Tuesday, so we should see just a slight chance of some showers on Monday evening, and then also overnight Monday into Tuesday. High 65 on Tuesday. Looks like we'll have another system moving through, so some quick moving systems once again on Wednesday morning, possibly giving us some rain showers as a weak area low pressure tries to develop off our coast along a decaying frontal boundary. That's going to provide us with a chance of some rain showers, a high of 67 on Wednesday. And then Thursday we'll see cooler conditions across our region, so slightly below normal for Thursday, with an area high pressure of Canadian origin building into our region. High of 60 degrees on Thursday, and looking even farther into the next week, we'll see temperatures in the lower 60s, possibly some lows in the central portion of Delmarva in the lower 40s on Friday morning. So looking like we'll have some cooler conditions and more fall-like weather as we move into the middle to latter portion of next week. That's going to complete the 10 a.m. weather briefing today. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.